Welcome to Uma Science. Today we are going to see the topic solutions given in the 10th standard syllabus. Normally we can mix sand in water and we can mix salt in water. What do you observe? When we mix salt in water, it dissolves completely. But whereas when we mix sand in water, it remains at the bottom. The sand and water can be separated easily. But whereas the salt which is dissolved in water cannot be separated easily. This kind of homogeneous mixture are termed as solutions. Homogeneous mixture means it contains only one set of substances. In Tamil it is called ஒரு படித்தான கலவை. ஒரு படித்தான கலவை தான் நம்ம கரைசல்னு சொல்றோம். I'll repeat. Homogeneous mixture are termed as solutions. You can see very well the naturally existing solution is seawater. We cannot imagine on the life on earth without seawater. The another one is air. Air you know very well. It's a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. So all these things you know. Day to day human activities, washing, cooking, cleaning, etc. All these are involved in the formation of solutions with water. The drinks what we take like fruit juice, aerated drinks, tea, coffee, what you are taking in the morning, these are also solutions. Now we shall proceed to the components of solutions. I already told you a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. So what's the solution? It's a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a solution, actually the component which is present in lesser amount is called as solute, and the component which is present in larger amount is called solvent. For example, if you dissolve sugar in water, you will get a sugar solution. A sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. A solute plus solvent constitute a solution. The solution which are made up of two components are known as binary solutions. For example, copper sulfate when dissolved in water will get copper sulfate solution, that is a binary solution. Solution which contain three components are called ternary solutions. This binary solution in Tamil it is called irumadi karaisal. Since there are two components, it is called a binary solution. Solution which contain three components are termed as ternary, that is மும்மடி கரைசல். அப்படின்னா அங்கே வந்து த்ரீ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் காம்பனன்ட்ஸ் அங்கே ஃபவுண்ட் ஆயிருக்குது. In examination it is asked very often, how many components are there in a binary solution? Binary itself 2. So 2 components if it is found, that is called a binary solution. Now we can classify the types of solutions into various points based on the physical state of the solute and the solvent, then based on the type of the solvent, based on the amount of the solute, lastly concentrated and dilute solutions. First, we shall see what are the types of solution based on the physical state of the solute and the solvent. We all know very well the substances normally exist in three states, namely solid, liquid and gases. In a binary solution, both the solvent and the solute may exist in any of these three physical states. but the solvent actually here constitute the major part of the solution. Here, if you see the tabular column, you will have a better understanding. Some are solid solutions, some are liquid solutions, some are gases. That means suppose alloys. Alloys, it's a combination of two or more elements in a definite ratio. That is solid in solid. For example, copper dissolved in gold. The same time, liquid in solid. Mercury with sodium. When any element mixed with mercury, it is termed as amalgam. So that is mercury in the liquid state, sodium in the solid state. So that is mercury with sodium, example for that. Then liquid solution, solid in liquid. It's normal. Your table salt, that is sodium chloride, when it is dissolved in water, you will get solid in liquid. The sodium chloride is in the solid state, that water in the liquid state. Yet another is liquid in liquid. Ethyl alcohol, that is normally alcohol dissolved in water. Both are in the liquid state. Then gas and liquid. For making soda water, they are dissolving carbon dioxide in water. We are getting gas in liquid. So in this very often it is asked gas and liquid in the examination point of view. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water. Next is gaseous solution. Liquid in gas, water vapor in the liquid form and air, it is in the gaseous state. That is cloud actually. Gas in gas, gas and gas mixture of helium, oxygen, gases. So this any two they will ask. Give an example for solid in solid. You can say very well copper dissolved in gold. Is it not? If it is asked liquid in liquid, very easy. Ethyl alcohol dissolved in water. Sometimes you may get confusion, gas in liquid and liquid in gas. That you should remember carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water is an example for gas in liquid, whereas water vapor in air is an example for liquid in gas. So these are the types of binary solution. For examination, they will ask 2 marks from this tabulation. So you should be thorough with. The next, you can move to the next classification based on the type of solvent. Here it is simply two only. One is aqueous solution, yet another is non-aqueous solution. The solution in which water acts as a solvent called aqueous solution. So where the solution, there we are using water as a solvent, that is known as aqueous solution. This is commonly known to you. Common salt dissolved in water. Non-aqueous solution. Actually here, the solution in which any other liquid other than water that acts as a solvent is called as non-aqueous solution. For example, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide. So based on the type of solvent, how many types there are? One is aqueous, yet another is non-aqueous. Here water is the basis for the classification. What is water? It is an aqueous solution. If the solvent is water, it is aqueous solution. The solvent is other than water, any other liquid. That is a non-aqueous solution. Then the next what is coming is very important. For your higher forms also it is very useful because there you are using this and all many times based on the amount of solute. How a solution can be classified? There are three: saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated. From the term itself you can identify a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a definite amount of the solvent at a given temperature is called saturated solution. You can understand very well, no more solute. For example, at a particular temperature, after that, whatever solute you are adding, more than that, you cannot add even a single gram of the substance. For example, 36 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms the saturated solution. Further addition of sodium chloride, leave it undissolved. Even a simple pinch if you are adding, it won't get dissolved. That is called saturated solution. So here, you need not buy hot it. No more solute, that is the key point. A solution is in which no more solute can be dissolved. That means a definite quantity only can be dissolved. For example, I told already 36 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water. In Tamil, it is actually called Tevitiya Karaisal. The next one, unsaturated. This unsaturated, just opposite to that of saturated. Unsaturated is the one which contains less solute than that of saturated. That means it contains lesser amount of the solid substances than that of the saturated. For example, you can use 10 gram or 20 gram or 30 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram water instead of exact 36 gram. If you are using 10 gram or 20 gram or 30 gram in 100 gram of water, these are all coming under unsaturated solution. Here the key point is which contains less solute. The next one is, this is in Tamil, it is called Tevitada. First one, Tevitiya. Last one, supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution means it contains more solute than the saturated solution. It contains more solute than the saturated solution. For example, in saturated you might have seen 36 gram of sodium chloride. Here you may be having 40 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. It forms a supersaturated solution. The state actually can be altered in any other conditions such as temperature, pressure. Supersaturated solutions are unstable and the solute is reappearing as crystal when the solution is disturbed. So based on the amount of solution can be classified into saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated. The supersaturated in Tamil it is called Adi Tevitiya. Tevitiya, Tevitada, Adi Tevitiya. Karasalgal. So it's very easy to remember. This very often they are asking in 2 mark. What are saturated solution? What are supersaturated solution? This is a repeatedly asked question. Then the next one is a concentrated and dilute solution. At home you can say with your mummy that is very strong. When you can say when the sugar is more in quantity, you can say it's very strong. But sometimes when they are adding a little sugar, you may say it's not so strong. So in that circumstances, it coming under dilute one. So here we have learnt all the types of solutions. But first one is based on the physical state of the solute and the solvent, based on the type of the solvent, based on the amount of the solute. Lastly, concentrated and dilute solutions. Concentrated one actually contains a more amount, whereas the dilute solution contains the lesser amount. Thanks for watching.